My name is Navia Solkin, and my Genius Hour project is based on the impacts of e-commerce companies. So why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic because I wanted to find out how big companies like Amazon impact our lives by changing the economy and the environment. I hoped that by researching this topic, I would educate people on the different things impacted by e-commerce companies. My Genius Hour essential question is, how do e-commerce companies impact society? I learned that e-commerce companies impact the society by changing the economy and the environment. Some sources said that e-commerce companies are harmful for the environment, while others said that they were better for the environment than stores or malls. E-commerce companies are also changing the economy in many ways. But to summarize, because of e-commerce companies, online shopping has become part of our daily life, even though it might be causing an impact on our planet as we know it. For my final project, I made a Powtoon which answered all my research questions as well as my essential question. I did finish my Powtoon and it is now uploaded onto YouTube. Here's a quick peek at my Powtoon. For my Genius Hour project, I chose the topic, how do e-commerce companies impact society? Now let's break it down and answer a few other questions. Like some of you might be thinking, what even is an e-commerce company? My greatest challenge was probably when my voiceovers in my Powtoon were getting cut off in the end, which led me to record all over again. My greatest success was when I finally got all of the voiceovers working properly and my Powtoon did not have any glitches. What I learned from my project. There were times when I was very frustrated because I was not able to find answers to my research questions or was having trouble figuring out how to do something. I learned that without being responsible and finishing my work, without being patient, and without working hard to accomplish a goal, I would have never finished my project. I also learned that if you want to accomplish something, you have to do the work to achieve it. Overall, I really enjoyed working on Genius Hour and getting to be creative. Thanks for watching.